Is it possible to target fat loss in specific areas of your body?
Hi, once again, let's talk about your fitness journey. So may question tayo. Coach, pwede bang yung fat loss is specific ba sa like, gusto ko dito lang sa belly ko mawala yung fat, okay? Actually, there's no specifics, okay? No spot reduction, okay? So, pag nag-lose tayo ng fat, okay, that is all over the body then, okay? So, isa lang din, siguro makakatulong din, okay, is self-monitoring. Kasi for example, yung mga body circumference measurement, okay, makakatulong yan. Like, measure your body first, okay? In centimeters, no? Tapos, after 4 weeks or 6 weeks, okay, you measure again, okay? So, makakatulong yan to stay motivated pa rin, okay? Very important yan, okay? Sabi ko nga, is self-monitoring, okay? Alright, so stay active lang and then do the exercise that you enjoy. And then be mindful of what you're eating, okay? Enjoy!
Leave your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching!